second part of the video, guys. We're not gonna intercept this tornado. We're gonna get on the other hook over here.
The National Weather Service in Hazleton has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for the National Weather Service Doppler radar indicated a severe thunderstorm capable of producing destructive winds in excess of 50 miles per hour. This dangerous storm was located near Sylvia, moving south winds per hour. This is a very dangerous storm.
Alright guys, let's check out why that tornado was.
Sylvia.
Oh, 2.6. Oh, serious? But yeah, this basically covered a good part of the map. And I gotta intercept very well on this. Dang, I'm gonna take a picture of that. Alright, bye guys.